Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. This is the continuation of my life here in our province in Quezon, Palawan, Philippines. As you can see, I tried to climb a coconut tree, but I failed because it was too tall. So I came back down. Maybe next time we'll get some young coconut water. I love drinking the juice from young coconuts, and I've heard it's good for treating UTIs. Although I don't have any experience with that myself. After that, we gathered some cassava roots to make suman, a traditional Filipino dessert. We planned to fill them with pukayo, a sweet coconut filling. But I got tired from digging up the hard roots, so we settled for sugar and coconut milk instead. We also picked some papaya for a snack and used the raw ones for lunch. I was with my cousins and worked together to grate the cassava roots and prepare the banana leaves for wrapping. We even helped each other wrap the suman and cook them in a big pot. We ended up with 80 pieces, and when they were done, we shared them with my cousins who helped me. And of course, we enjoyed eating them too. The suman was delicious with just the right amount of sweetness and creaminess from the coconut milk. In the following days, I decided to go to the mangrove forest with my cousins. The scenery was breathtaking with the sunlight filtering through the trees and the sound of birds chirping. When we arrived, the water was still high, so we decided to wait. My cousins collected shells that were unfamiliar to me, but they said they were edible. We chatted and bonded while waiting, and our dog Yum Yum joined us too. After 30 minutes, the water still hadn't receded, so we decided to explore the area and see if we could find any shallow spots. We didn't go empty handed, as we found some dry areas and collected some shells, including tuwai and bagungon. As the saying goes, with perseverance comes reward. I was thrilled to have explored the mangrove forest again and didn't mind the heat and exhaustion because I enjoyed every moment of it. I even took some videos of my cousins and the beautiful scenery for my vlog. On our way back, we saw a river and decided to take a dip because the water looked inviting. We didn't stay long, though, because it was already lunchtime. After eating, my cousins went home and I gave them the shells I collected because they had more use for them. Later, my siblings and I decided to take a bath in our well, which has been tested to have the cleanest water in our area.